In this video I'm going to go through the steps I took to fix my daughter's singing doll. There's this voice box that you take out of it. When you squeeze it, it plays Old MacDonald. It wasn't working, so here I'm testing the voltages on the batteries to make sure that those are okay, which they are, around 1.5 volts. So then I proceed to take the rest of the box apart, and this is the box that you squeeze. It hits a button on the inside and plays the music. There's 4 tabs on this that I have a little trouble with here because I haven't realized there's 2 more screws on the front to take out. After I take those screws out, I can split the box into its 2 pieces. That we see here, there's a speaker on the side, and then on this side there's the button that's pressed. I don't realize here, but you can tell that the speaker is not connected to anything. I don't know if I did that when I took it apart here, or if it was already that way and that's why it wasn't working. So what I'm doing here is putting batteries back in and then tracing the voltage to the board to make sure that the batteries are powering the board. I hadn't realized yet that the speaker was broken off of it. So checking the board for voltage, we should get the sum of the 2 batteries. So somewhere around 3.0. We get 3.2, so that's fine. So I know that power's going into the board. Here's when I realized that the speaker wasn't connected. I happen to have a speaker of the right size from a different repair I did. So I was just sizing that up here. So next what I have to do is desolder the piece that came off of the speaker and then solder on the new speaker. After getting the new speaker soldered on, I pressed the button and it played. So this is fixed, and the rest of the video is just clean up and putting things away. Thanks for watching.